Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, bed liner, aluminum wheels, fog lamps, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.